What's up everybody and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Molly. Behind the camera right now is Isaac and we are the West Coasters. Today we're here in Pasadena to visit a very special Panda Express location. It's called the Innovation Kitchen and it's essentially a test kitchen for them to try out a bunch of new recipes, so there's always something new here. We've been dying to get here. We heard there's this crazy orange chicken burrito on the menu amongst other new funky combinations. So let's head in and try some good food.
So when you think of Panda Express, I usually think of my childhood, eating at malls, my first exposure to Chinese American food, how exciting and fun it is. But Panda Express is a huge national chain that started right here in California. Probably the most famous item here at the Innovation Kitchen is they do a burrito. Now, we're no strangers to Asian Mexican fusion. We love going to Kogi and getting Korean tacos. This is the first time I've ever had like a Chinese American with Mexican style thing. This is a burrito that has, I got it with orange chicken and also the eggplant tofu dish and chow mein. Those are probably my three favorite things to get here. This is super, super big. I'm excited to eat this. It looks like there's some green onion too in the tortilla. Almost like scallion pancake vibe. Let's give it a go. That bite was entirely chow mein. So I watched them make it. I know the entrees are in here somewhere. I can kind of feel towards this end. I'm gonna try to I don't know if I should, but I'm gonna try to get some orange chicken or eggplant tofu. That's the weirdest way to eat a burrito. Yeah, I would never normally eat a burrito like this. This is probably the weirdest way I've ever seen someone eat a burrito, from the middle down, but it's really good. I don't know why other places aren't doing this, because especially in LA, in the Los Angeles area, there's so many taco trucks. There's so many great places to get burritos, Mexican food, Chinese American food. This is awesome. I think that in theory, if I didn't eat it like this, I could be eating this kind of more on the go. If I was in the car driving carefully, or if I was just taking it with me in a bag or something. But yeah, this is awesome. Very, very classic Panda flavors. The orange chicken is awesome. The eggplant tofu is a newer dish and it's one of my favorite things to get here. So if you ever work your way up to Pasadena to come here, get this burrito. This is awesome.
So it's called the Bing?
The Bing, yeah.
Why is it called the Bing?
No idea.
We'll have to figure that out.
Wait, maybe we'll ask.
Maybe it's just so good that people are like, wow, and it's like bing.
Bing, bing, bing.
Bing, bing, bing.
Mm. Don't try this at home.
But try it here.
Yeah. Now it's like basically a burrito bowl.
The eggplant here is just crazy good.
It really is, and I haven't seen it at every location, so I know they test dishes here. It's a newer thing.
I was hoping to try things here at the Innovation Kitchen that I hadn't had before at a regular Panda Express, and I found this chili crisp shrimp, or crisp chili shrimp, and it definitely looked new. It looks like it's fried, lightly fried shrimp with definitely a chili sauce on it. There's red peppers and onions, all things I usually love. The guy working here was super helpful. He said that he likes to have it with white rice, so I like to follow the expert's advice. This is bomb.
TheBomb.com.
Bomb.com. Go tell your mom. Take me here after prom. It is so exciting and refreshing to eat a dish at a chain like this that's not afraid of some heat. This is spicy. Not too spicy for me, at least. I love a decent amount of spice, but I'm not a spicy food fanatic, crazy style.
Spice lords?
Not a spice lord. But this is just so, with that spicy kick from the chili, and then the way they breaded and fried the shrimp is perfect. Red peppers and onions. The white rice balances out the punch you in the face flavors so well. I know this is just their test kitchen, but I hope this is a dish that sticks around because this is incredible. So crunchy, so good.
So being the Innovation Kitchen, it's like a test kitchen for the company. They try out all types of different things here. The burritos have stuck around for a long time. I know a lot of people have tried them. I've never tried one, so I was really excited. But one of the new things you can get at the Innovation Kitchen is like dim sum items, and you can get them grouped together in different amounts. So we did that kind of 3-item deal. And one of the things we got was the shrimp and lobster dumpling. To me, this is, I don't know, I guess it's a dumpling, but it's definitely a fried dumpling. Looks like it was deep fried. The person that was helping us said it really reminded them of a crab rangoon, and they highly recommended it. So we really wanted to try it. It comes with like a sweet chili dipping sauce, so let's give this a go. This shrimp and lobster dumpling. Even though it's fried, the wrapper's still a little chewy. Got some chives in there, got a little heat from the sweet chili sauce, but just a pleasant amount. It's good. It definitely tastes like more of an elevated flavor than a crab rangoon that you would get at a typical Chinese takeaway. That is almost just like imitation crab flavored cream cheese. And I love those things. I could eat like a dozen of those. Just sit down and smash into those. I would say this is really good. I'm curious to hear what the other 2 items taste like, so I'll turn it over to Molly. She can try those, but yeah, these are all right.
We love coming out and trying all these new interesting foods, and if you like this type of video, make sure to give this one a thumbs up, but also hit the red subscribe button so you can join our family. We have so many fun plans coming up, and we want you to be a part of it.
So the dim sum bites are really good, but whenever I think of traditional dim sum, I'm always thinking of things that are steamed.
Same, yeah. I mean, I know it's not unheard of for there to be some fried items on a dim sum menu at some places. I think it more just harkens to like the fun, like little bits, like little dumplings that you can eat, and having a variety of them, and you're getting them in these little combo packs. So this is some type of spring roll. To be honest, I kind of forgot which one we got, so it's a surprise. Get a little bit of sauce. Okay, so this is a vegetable spring roll, but it's kind of amazing. The outer wrapping is super crispy the way they fried it, and the filling, the vegetable part, has great flavor, like super flavorful on the inside. I would say this is above average, and this is better than some of the spring rolls I've had at like nicer restaurants. This is worth the money to me. You love it, don't you?
Goes down easy.
So one of the dim sum bites that they're featuring right now is a dessert one. I think it's got apple pie filling. I can never remember the name of like any of the dishes. This is the apple pie roll. And I know the Disney adult is gonna come out right now, but it looks like a little churro. It's so cute. Of course we had to get something sweet, especially when it's something that looks as good as this. This little apple pie bite is magnificent. It's like a hot apple pie filling on the inside, no surprise there, but the outside is like a churro. I know that they probably use their like regular dim sum wrapper. They've coated it in a really healthy layer of cinnamon and sugar, which makes it totally magical. This is the kind of thing that's dangerous because you could eat like 10 of these. They're that good. This is my favorite thing of the day. He's thinking.
I'll be right back. Stay there, stay there, we'll be back.
I think that little dessert bite wasn't quite enough. Leave it to Isaac to find ice cream in the most unsuspecting places. Waiting so patiently. Almost there.
It's like Haagen-Dazs.
Oh.
Ingredients: cream, skim milk, milk, sugar, boba, natural tea extract, natural flavouring. Okay, cool. Contains milk, lactose-free. It is lactose-free. Yeah, that's something that you see with a lot of boba shops. All the milk they use is lactose-free. Milk tea, boba X ice cream, boba cross ice cream. So Molly was eating that like apple pie, churro, spring roll thing, and I wanted dessert for myself. I wanted some dessert, and I knew that when we walked in, we saw the signs for this, and it's this Innovation Kitchen, so they have all these kind of interesting items you can't get at a normal Panda Express. I didn't even know Panda Express had ice cream. They do now. So this is the black milk tea, lactose-free Boba X ice cream. It looks really delicious. It reminds me of almost like you see those brown sugar milk teas, like from Jing Fu Tang or some
Or
of
like
those
a
boba
tiger
shops. Sorry?
Like a tiger tea.
Oh, like a tiger tea, yeah, definitely. It looks like I got a little bit of boba in this one. Oh, dang. That's like really good. That's like really good. Wow. I am shocked. This is, not only is it really good, But the thing I was worried about is not an issue. Like whenever you go to a frozen yogurt place or an ice cream shop and there's some kind of gummy element in the ice cream, like gummy bears or gummy worms, they always get hard, right? They just get like super hard and chewy and kind of stuck in your teeth. It's not as fun as it looks. This they pulled out of the freezer. You saw me peel back the packaging like a Haagen-Dazs style ice cream, and the boba inside is super chewy and delicious. It's honestly the right amount of sweetness, and while this is an ice cream, it's gonna be super sweet. It's not like cloyingly like syrupy sweet. It's just really good. I would say if you're like just even like, I'm gonna go out for ice cream tonight, you can get ice cream at Panda Express. It's really good.
I just want to know when it's going to be my turn.
I am not exaggerating at all. This is really, really good. I will let you have some. I'll let you have a tiny taste, and then you can give it back. You're gonna love it. Right?
It's so flavorful.
Right?
It is like taking two of the best things in the world, ice cream and milk tea, and smashing them together into like the perfect union. It's a miracle. I know some of these things that come through here might be temporary or like a test. I just hope this ice cream is forever.
No meal at Panda Express or any kind of like American Chinese restaurant is complete without a fortune cookie. Or should I say a misfortune cookie?
Misfortune.
Oh my Lord. I think that means that this is gonna be like misfortune, a bad fortune, I don't know. Oh, this isn't really so much a fortune as it is just like a compliment. You thrive by serving others. Yay.
My fortune for the night, already have the cookie, is your greatest fear will become your biggest strength soon. Isn't that interesting? I was trying to think what my greatest fear is. I mean, my phobia is bees, but I don't think that's what I was talking about. Maybe something I'm scared to do, I'll overcome. I'm gonna have to think on that.
If we're wrapping up our meal at the Innovation Kitchen, Panda Express Test Kitchen, what things to get, what things to not get, I think the burrito can't be skipped. I think that's really fun. It's very Instagrammable. Obviously, we're making a vlog about it. It's wonderful, it's delicious. And then I think the ice cream is like, I would drive out of the way to get that ice cream. I think the dim sum items are fun, but at the end of the day, there's so many other great, cheap dim sum spots that serve more authentic dim sum that I think tastes a little bit better. So, you know, keep that in mind if you're here. Grab the burrito, grab some ice cream.
I did like the apple pie thing though, for what it's worth. I thought that was worth it.
Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored Panda Express Innovation Kitchen. Their test kitchen tried some kind of like new menu items, secret menu style items, some fun things to just eat. We hope you join us in the future, and until next time, cheers.
I even have a little to eat later to snack on. Perfect, because it balances out all that like punch you in the face.